Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and today we're on board our 2019 Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. I personally adore this boat. It is such a usable, do-everything boat, and Boston Whaler goes to great extent, great lengths to really make the boat do everything. Lots and lots of details all over this boat. You're gonna see cup holders just about everywhere. These seats are so solid. Guys, I'm 210 pounds and over 6 feet, and that's a seat. And frankly, perfect height for an armrest. It's so comfortable to be hanging out back here. And while we're back here, Mercury's got their brand new 3.4 liter V6 200 on the back of this boat. Want to check your oil? It's easy. This whole boat is just plain easy. The seating is easy. Fantastic, easy live well. Lights in it, drains in it. Cup holders are easy. The bolsters are easy. You've got a really, really quality system here. Fold up, fold down. Totally depends on what the water will do. Of course, you've got Mercury's Ferrado on the back. That gives you digital controls, hydraulic steering. You've got trim tabs on this particular boat with the LED indicators. And as you'll find on any good high-end boat, you've got Fusion stereo backed up with JL audio. What you don't see here is your preferable screen, your fish finder GPS. We'll do that at a dealer level, whether it's Ray Marine, you want Simrad, you want Garmin, or even something else, guys. We can do that here. We build it in as part of the package. And of course, while we're going forward on the full package, this boat's got an awesome powder-coated T-top, one of the very best in the game. Everything from holding on to it to the fit and finish, this is fantastic. Of course, to continue the theme of fishing, you've got rod holders at the base of your casting platform, and truthfully, a huge, huge casting platform. Storage for your anchor, other wet things here. You've got a full fish box in the back, and for a glimpse at the size, guys, we're talking about a fish box almost 5 feet wide. Huge for a 21-foot boat. Fantastic seat in front of the console. This is a phenomenal do-everything boat for South Florida. This is Boston Whalers 210 Montauk, and I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. Give us a call if we can help you get on the water.